This is the Edan U50 knobology video. Right here are your input ports. It's USB, foot switch, Ethernet cable, VGA output, printer signal output, and remote. To the rear, we got the transducer ports, port 1, 2, this is the IEC power cable, and the breaker switch. To the front, we have the power button, we have the indicator lights, the TGC controls. Now we have the patient button to start a new patient, so we can just select that, type in the name, and select OK once you have all the information you want in there. Next, you can hit probe. Probe will allow you to select which probe you want to use, as well as the preset. And just select OK when you're done there. This button will end the exam when you're ready to conclude. These buttons go over the different imaging modes. So we got the B mode, color, PW, M mode, gain control here, and PDI is located on the keyboard. Right here is all of your trackball controls. So you got the cursor to activate, deactivate, comment, measure, update, caliper, body mark, set, active mode, and clear. Over here, these keys deal with data management. So you got report, reviewing the report, shows all of your measurements that you took during your study. This button here allows you to do a quick save. This button allows you to review the CNA. This button allows you to print. You got the freeze button here. And then you also have the depth knob here, which allows you to adjust the depth however you like it. Also, if you click it, it allows you to zoom in on a certain area. Up here, you have your quick control keys. These keys correlate directly to your tabs here. And they can also be adjusted in this drop-down menu here using the trackball. Now we'll go through the different imaging types. First we will do B mode. So freeze once you get the image you want, and you can do a quick save. The quick save only allows you to save the name as a numeric value, but you can always go back later and change it. Next we'll do color. You can move the color box up using the trackball. And freeze when you get the image you want. Now we can do save as using the quick controls, which allows you to name the image. So we'll name it color. And also to the right up here, this allows you to format the image how you'd like it. So you can do BMP, JPEG, FRM, CNA, and AVI. CNA only allows you to review the CNA on the system. AVI will allow you to review it using Windows Media Player. So for now, we'll leave it as a BMP. Once you have the name in that you want, hit OK. Next, we'll go over PW. So hit PW, use your trackball to select the location. Then you can use your quick control knobs to adjust the angle. Then just hit PW when you're ready. You can also adjust these parameters to clean up the signal. And just hit PW again to get out of PW, or B mode for any of these modes. Next we'll talk about M mode. So just hit M mode to go into M mode. If you want to see M mode full screen, hit M mode again. To get out of M mode, just hit B. Now we will talk about importing and exporting data. So when you're done with your study, you can hit End Exam. These keys up here allow you to go through different menus. Hit Menu to make it go away, File to go to the File menu, Preset to go to any type of presets. So we'll hit File. Now all these keys still correlate to all these tabs here, which correlates to all the quick keys here. So we're going to go to the File Manager. We're going to open up our study. And we're going to select all. And then hit Import Export. I'm going to export to the A driver. And then just hit OK. And yes. Once your load bar completes, all the images will have been transferred. Once you're done, just hit cancel and cancel. Now in this drop down menu here, you can adjust how you want your quick save file type to be, whether it be BMP, JPEG, etc. You can also go to storage and change this to your USB, which is the A driver. This will allow you to save all your images directly to the USB drive without any need to export. These keys up here deal with brightness, volume control, standby. There are also some keys that can be assigned. P, F1, F2, F3, and F4. You can do this by hitting the preset menu, going to System Preset, Application Preset, and select in the drop down menu what you would like to reassign the key to. This concludes the knobology video for the Edan U50.